They say that the Nigeria army don't finally write official letter go give Biafra Liberation Army for inside bush for where they dey for camp. Oh, ask me wetin they talk. They say make dem come outside, make they take a 101 front. Now Biafra Liberation Army come tell am say you carry ammo tank and you want us we be full soldier to come out outside come first una. Now I come say this one don red though. But the Biafra Liberation Army come reply, come tell am say make they come outside for inside ammo tank. Say make they do am like man, even blow to blow. I come say the matter don pass garri o. As we dey talk that one o, no be small thing. But however, as that one dey happen, we quickly go find out how e take start and how e take dey sup for that place. My wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. They say that the Nigeria army don take the Biafra Liberation Army, say make dem come outside so that they go fit carry am one by one, no be for inside bush. Now I can say wetin dey the bush, whether lion dey inside that bush, where they fear them, where one and no one enter there, and they tell them when they come outside. Now the Biafra Liberation Army come tell them lo, say they know they come outside though. They carry am more tank, come they tell them we carry food, make they come outside. Say make they enter inside bush or make they come outside from inside their more tank. Now I can say it don't read though. But however, watch the video before we go come back and continue.
We are still preparing for the broad daylight battle. Everybody's warming up. Them are warming up. We are warming up after the long night battle. It's a real indeed 7 day. But do not fail to tell the world that Biafra are in civil war. Don't fail to share this message to go as far as it can and as far as possible. That the world may know that it is them that came to our land to kill us, and we only defending our life and our line. Because we cannot fold our hand and watch them slaughtering us. So therefore, so that they will not twist the narrative. They will not twist the story. The purpose of all this documentation is for them not to twist our story the way they did during Ujugu time. For them not to twist the story as they always do during our Supreme Leader court case. By the time we will begin to play this dance to the extremely high level, if they come and talk nonsense, we will be able to bring this record for them once again and say, look at when we were saying this. I want to challenge one Zoo soldier that challenged me last night. He said, why can't we leave bush and come out and face them? As if we are not being, as if now inside bush we dey face them. You never enter inside bush since you came out these 7 days. And you are telling me, why can't you people leave bush and face us man to man? Your challenge is accepted. But let me also give you this. Why can't you leave your armor tank and come on foot and challenge us? Are you not a foot soldier? We are also a foot soldier. Why can't you leave your armor tank, pack your armor tank, in fact, remove your armor tank, Tanta, come on your foot with your machine gun and everything you hold for hand. Come on your foot. Idiot. You go use machine gun, you go use armor tank. They pursue person where they use leg. So that when you use armor tank hit them, you go get them, abi. Leave your armor tank, come on foot. But with your armor tank, you are still falling. You are not ashamed. Do you see us with armor tank? You get mind to open your dirty mouth and saying, why are we inside bush? We should come out and face you. Are we not be facing you? How do you die if we are not facing you? You never enter bush. You are dying. How are we facing you? How did your armor tanker spoil if we are not facing you? Tell me now. 13 armor tanker have been broke down. Even the robotic own you come with, we don't break them down. We'll give you more. By this time, day before yesterday, all these 5 days, by this time, we don't they fight war, go far. But yesterday, you collect one, you know, come again. Today, we are still waiting for you. This is 9:30 a.m. You never see it show up. Idiot. And you get a mind, you get gauze to open your stingy, dirty, smelling mouth and tell us, why can't we come and face you? Come out and go and drop your armor tank. Now your armor tank, they make us lay ambush. Drop your armor tank, come out, face to face. We go. You know us now. When we come to where you know get single armor tank, you dey tear race. You know that. So don't come and talk nonsense. Face to face battle, you never reach. You no go even last reach 10 minutes. 10 minutes too far, sef. Face to face battle, you do not, as in you hold gun, you stand in front of us, we hold gun, stand in front of you. Or even though you hold gun, we no hold anything. Because now your gun, we go see take do you something. You know if we stand. They come and talk. Do you know who we are? When we tell you that lion can only give birth to lion, you think we are joking. 1967 is a joke. It was a joke compared to 2024. I accept your challenge on the one condition. Disembark your armor tanker. Disembark your armor tanker and come on foot. We are foot soldier. Come on foot. You are a foot soldier. Come on foot. How can you be on the armor tanker? You never even greet, come down. It is when the waiting we carry, when the anointing hit the armor tanker, and that is why you want to bring out your wounded and dead one out. Come on foot and see whether you can survive our last receiving 10 minutes. See whether you can even last reach 10 minutes. Idiot. Come on foot. If them born you well, come on foot. We know your strength, and that is why we are taking our time to break your strength until you are strengthless. Only 2 things is your strength, even you know. Your armor tanker and your fighter jet. With your fighter jet, we don't break those one finish. Call UK to send you another one. And your armor tanker now don't remain. The main one, the most costly one, we don't break them. And I believe that is what weaken you people when make you not feel come again. When no approach, because the robotic one where they use remote, they control. We don't break them. Now that one they give you morale now. You go first use them. They find where Ogbunigwe dey. No say Oyibo don't come. In morale don't high. Oyibo, morale. Oyibo come, morale high. For our land, now you carry your Oyibo come our land. We be black. We go black you. By the time we go finish with you, your skin go turn to charcoal. Ewu. You think we are here to joke? By the time we go finish with you, that your white skin go turn to charcoal. Then you understand why we are black. We are black. Idiot. You get mine? With all your machinery where you carry come. You get stupid mouth. Open your stingy mouth, say, "Mo we come face to face." But have you no agree come down from a mountain? That's so in the be. You want to run with me? You climb motor and you say, "Make I use leg." They run race with you. And when I follow climb bicycle, you say, "Oh, why must I climb bicycle?" Upon say bicycle no even dey fast as like the motor where you climb. And I told you, you came with 30 Armoured tanker. The war see they drag. You think it's going to be 3 days, so you don't drag reach 7 days, so. And how many still remain? You came with all those your machinery. How many still remain alive today? And the same you, now you no get shame. Oh. Why is you know they get shame like this? You see get my open mouth, they tell me, make I leave bush. Come down, come they face you face to face with Armoured tanker. Thunder will fire you. As you dey inside Armoured tanker, now so me I dey inside bush, they finish you. So if you want to see us face to face, even though you want combat and combat, if you say drop gun, drop weapon, more we go blow to blow, we go do that. Disembark your Armoured tanker. Come out. If we need us to fight in the hand, we go fight you for hand and see whether you go win us. Even with all these things, you know if you win us. Idiot. Ewu. I didn't have your time last night. I could have do this broadcast last night, but I have your time. Why are you not still coming? See, now this to 10. This to 10. Is it how you are going to last race one? They won't even go half of the moon. You don't already disembark. You don't already retrieve. I tell you, can I say the Armoured tanker don't break finish, make them send another one. And now you saw the money where you supposed to take sustain the idiotic Nigerians, buy weapon, make them go hunger. Kill all of them, finish with hunger. Then to say now only Biafra. For their mind, they were thinking that now only Biafran children go suffer. They never see sufferness. How much is fuel? How much is rice? The rice was just for common men. Now rice don't become only rich man fit chop rice. How much is cement, back of cement? How much is food item? Gari is how much? Let me not go far. How much is gari? All of you, hunger go kill you now. Hunger will kill you now. So, no one. The money you supposed to take, make their life better, go and buy weapon, bring it here. This is how God go take punish all of you now. You don't know? Or you bring that weapon, we will destroy everything there. The money go fear. And you are still owing debt. You are still owing debt. And the more you owe debt, the more your economy cripple. I did not tell you from onset. I tell you, we get only 3 missions for you. Have I not told you? Should I repeat myself? 3 missions. Now we get for you. As a Islamic state. 1, to cripple your economy. Make your economy useless. Yes. Because when your economy is useless, you go to borrow, they buy weapon. You don't get money to pay back until you finally sell yourself out. That is exactly our mission. 2, to make sure say your strength have been destroyed, which is your weapon, your army. We will finish them. We will finish them that you will not even get strength to fight terrorists Boko Haram in your area. So that Boko Haram will take over your villages the same way where you be one take over.
Yeah, my wonderful people, no be small thing o. As you don't watch the video, make you share the video immediately so that other people go still know wetin dey go on o. And know say sometimes when they talk am, they say na dem dey talk am, but when you come hear am from the horse's mouth, you go know say yes o. Na so we be now, we dey bring am dey come for here. However, may you let us know wetin be your own opinion for inside comment section as e dey hot, and also share the video. No forget to follow this channel for more update as e dey hot. Okay, my wonderful people.